Hello, welcome back to my channel, Paper Magic Studio. In today's video, I'll be making this Easter basket project available in Cricut Design Space. I found this project by filtering under Holidays and typing Easter. This project is called Easter Basket Gift Box. I'm not sure why my pictures don't show up in the project preview all the time. However, here are all of the materials you'll need, and I'm going to click Customize to change it to my liking. I'll start by changing the colors of the different layers. I wanted to make sure I use the least amount of mattes possible, so I'm changing the colors here to make sure all the whites are the same, and you can do this by using the color sync option and dragging and dropping the different layers into the colors. Once I hit cut, I noticed that the Happy Easter part was going to cut by itself, and I don't like to do small tiny letters if I don't have to, especially with cardstock. So I'm actually going to take the Happy Easter sign and this purple circle. I'm going to attach both of them, I'm going to select both of them by clicking one, hitting Control and selecting another layer, and I'm going to hit Slice. Now I have the Happy Easter cut into the purple circle instead of having to glue a little tiny piece on top. I'm just going to adjust my colors so that the white is behind the purple circle instead of the green. Now the other thing I noticed is the handle for the basket actually needs to be on a mat that's 12 by 24. Well, I don't have paper right now that I could use for that, so I'm going to shorten the handle so that it fits on my 12 by 12 mat. So it won't be as long, and you'll see later how we will adjust. So here are the colors I've chosen, and I'm going to get all of the pieces cut and then we'll start building. So here are all of my pieces that are cut. One thing I do want to mention is the Happy Easter that I had sliced into this purple circle. Well, I'll need to glue the insides of the A and the two P's and the S so that it looks like the letters are complete. Still had to glue tiny pieces, but not that many. We will start by putting all of the round circle pieces together. I'll use these square foam stickers to give it a little bit of a dimensional look. Now we'll just glue the little bow on the bunny. And lastly, we'll put our basket together. Now, you'll have all of these score lines on your basket, and what you'll do is fold all of them with either a bone folder or maybe your scraper, something that'll give it a nice clean edge. Once you're done folding down on all the score lines, you'll start to glue the pieces of the basket together. You'll overlap the pieces to make sure that's where they go, and then you'll glue them down. I didn't want to wait for my zigzag glue to dry, so I tried a few different glues. Some areas you'll see I used double-sided tape just to get it to hold faster. Now for the handle. Since we made the handle short, we're not able to loop the handle through the holes and up and over because it'll be too short. So we're going to attach the handles a little differently. I'm just going to insert them into each side and tape them down on the inside. Now we're going to glue the bunny and the Happy Easter sign on the front and back. I was trying to decide where to put the bunny since in the picture it shows it on top of the handle. However, I preferred to put it on the front so that it wasn't getting in the way when you pick up the basket. And there is our completed Happy Easter bunny gift basket. It's really cute. It's small, perfect for little candies or treats, even a gift card. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more Cricut Design Space projects being made, please subscribe and also let me know what projects you want to see made. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.